Hi, it's Luke from Jackson Woodturners, and today we're just going to have a look at our Newel post cladding kit systems. We offer this range in oak with 3 different sizes from 90mm, 82mm and 70mm. All our kits come included with 4 pieces to clad your Newel posts, 1.5 meters long, and they also include the Newel post cap that is rebated out to fit on top of the kit. The kit itself has a unique moulding on both sides so that it interlocks itself. You can glue the inside and pull it together with using band clamps. Each kit from 90 to the 82 and 70 are unfinished and can be finished with anything that you choose. The cladding kit itself comes with a 2 to 4mm piece of veneered oak, and the inside of it is popular so that it doesn't bend, twist or warp after fitting. If you have any questions or would like to know more about these kits, don't hesitate to contact us, and don't forget to follow and like this channel. Thank you for watching.